U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz 8. Question 1. How many electrons are in the outer shell of a carbon atom? A. 2, B. 4, C. 6, or D. 8? The answer is B. 4. Question 2. Which process is used by plants to make food? A. Decomposition, B. Respiration, C. Photosynthesis, or D. Fermentation? The answer is C. Photosynthesis. If you got the first two right, hit like and subscribe for more quizzes. Question 3. What occurs in oxidation? A. Gain of electrons, B. Loss of electrons, C. Gain of protons, or D. Loss of neutrons? The answer is B. Loss of electrons. Question 4. Which element is the lightest? A. Oxygen, B. Helium, C. Lithium, or D. Hydrogen? The answer is D. Hydrogen. If you got this 4 right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to subscribe for more challenges. Question 5. Which factor does not affect the rate of a chemical reaction? A. Temperature, B. Concentration, C. Density, or D. Catalyst? The answer is C. Density. Thanks for playing. How many did you get right? Subscribe and comment below.